wearing these earrings because I will be styling my waistcoat with the skirt, and I think this heart shaped earring will look very pretty, so that's why I am wearing this one. And you can see the full look on a screen, how it looks. I really love these earrings. Hey everyone, so welcome to the new vlog, and today's video is all about fashion and styling trends. So as we all know, waistcoats are nowadays a strong comeback in 2025. So I am gonna share my all the styling look in this video, and I am gonna style my waistcoats on the skirts and trousers and jeans and shorts. So this video is all about that. So if you are already using the waistcoats, as these are nowadays very trendy, so you can also share your experience on a comment section, and in this video I will be share my styling tips to you guys, how you can style a waistcoat. And these are nowadays very trendy, as you can use these waistcoat in a formal way or in a parties and any way as you like. So guys, here are my collection of the waistcoats which I already have, and these waistcoats I have purchased earlier, but I haven't wore any of them. So this one is in the denim, and this is the basically in a cotton, and this will goes with formal look, and this is very pretty and I loved it, but I haven't wore any of them. And this is the third one, and I really like the print of this waistcoat, and this is basically in a cotton form. So I'm gonna style these three waistcoat on myself. So firstly I will wear this one and style this with my skirt. You can see the look which I have already styled, and you can see on a screen how it looks on me. So you can wear this cotton waistcoat on a skirt as I am wearing. This looks very cool and classy. So this is really comfortable material in summers, so that's why I purchased this, and this is really a cool shade and I really love the print on this. So let's style the second one. So on second number I have this beautiful waistcoat which will goes with formal wear basically, and you can also pair it up with the skirts for a casual look as I am wearing. So I will be wearing this with my shorts, black color shorts. As you can see on the screen, it looks very pretty and it looks very cute. As you can see, I have already wear the catwalk boots on this, so it looks very cool. And you can see the detailing, like this is only the design, there is no pocket, and you can see the buttons detailing here. I really love the waistcoats. And so guys, this waistcoat is really pretty and one of my favorite. So I have also styled this waistcoat with the top that I am wearing right now, and you can see the look on a screen, and you can share your opinion on a comment section how it looks. So let's see the next one that I already have the waistcoat. So that is in the denim form and in the denim material. So denims are always a very classy and trendy look that everyone loved so much. So in the jeans, shorts, skirts and waistcoat, with every outfit, in every outfit you can see the denims are nowadays, and every time it's a very trendy material that goes with every outfit and everything that you already have. So you can also style the denims with every outfit you already have. So this is the waistcoat, how it looks, and I really love the material and design of this waistcoat. This waistcoat generally have 3 buttons here, and you can see the design, it's similar to earlier one. So basically I will be styling this waistcoat with one of my jeans that I already have. That is also a new, I haven't worn that also. So this is the basically jeans. With this jeans I have already wearing this waistcoat. See on the screen how this waistcoat looks with this jeans, and you can share your opinion on a comment section how this looks and how it looks on me. So let's see the next one. And next I will be wearing this denim waistcoat with one of my red dress. So you can see on the screen how it looks on me, and this is the denim waistcoat, which is my most favorite as it goes with every outfit that I already have. So guys, this is it for today's video, and I have tried my all the efforts to style these waistcoats. And before ending this video, let's talk about the dresses and style and color that is nowadays trendy in 2025. So basically shades of yellow and orange is nowadays very trendy, and cute tops, summer tops are nowadays very trendy, and also the animal print is nowadays trendy in skirts, shorts, trousers and everything that you wear and you wanna style. And also polo t-shirts are nowadays very trendy, and it looks very cool on everyone, men and women. On the another hand, that is nowadays very trendy are the sports wear, obviously, because sports wear are nowadays very trendy in 2025 as everyone is very conscious about their health and about their fitness. So obviously sportswear are nowadays very trendy. So with this basically styling tips and styling video, I will be ending this video. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and do comment which style you like the most. And I will be see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay rocking, keep loving, keep supporting. Bye bye, love you all.